Electric vehicle technology has come a long way in the recent years, and it's changing the way that we think about everyday transportation. Payne Auto Group carries the brands and models of electric vehicle industry leaders to fit your automotive needs. Here's a few options that we offer for you to consider. Mitsubishi's i-MiEV offers a cost-effective and eco-friendly alternative to traditional gas-powered vehicles. Volkswagen's e-Golf offers a comfortable and sporty ride, while Ford's Mustang Mach-E offers incredible performance while being fully electric. Chevrolet's Bolt offers an impressive range, while Buick's Velite 6 Hybrid offers the perfect balance between performance, luxury, and fuel efficiency. GMC's Hummer EV has an impressive 1,000 horsepower, while Chrysler's Pacifica Hybrid offers great family-friendly options. Dodge's Charger and Challenger are legendary muscle cars, and their new EV versions are sure to impress. Jeep's Wrangler 4xe offers incredible off-road capabilities while being environmentally friendly. Plus, Ram's recently announced electric truck promises to be a game changer in the pickup market. While these companies are all making huge strides in developing efficient, reliable, and exciting electric vehicles, Payne Auto Group is proud to offer them for a greener and more sustainable driving experience.